Dear students, how are you? I hope that you are very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am very well. Dear students, today I shall discuss about transformation of sentence, which means changing sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. Today I shall discuss about affirmative to negative sentence. Rule 1. If in any affirmative sentence there is only or alone and only indicate person, then you can use none but. If only or alone indicate anything, any object, you can use nothing but. And if only or alone indicate any age or number, then you can use not more than or not less than. Understand? I repeat, if only or alone indicates any person, you can use none but. If only or alone indicates any things, any object, you can use nothing but. And if only or alone indicates any age or number, in this case you can use not more than or not less than. For example, only Allah can help us. Here only indicate Allah, person. So the negative form will be none but Allah can help us. None but Allah can help us. Here we use none but instead of only, because here only indicates Allah. Second example, students like only sweets. Here only indicates sweets. Sweets is the name of things, so we should use nothing but. We should use nothing but instead of only. Example 3. Akash is only 20. Here only indicates the age of Akash. Akash is only 20 years old. So we should use not more than or not less than. Here Akash is only 20. That means Akash is not more than 20. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Then
3.
now, dear students, rule 2. Rule 2 is every we should use there is no instead of every. Then noun or the word which is used after every. For example, every mother. We should use every, there is no. Every, there is no. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother. Then we should use but. There is no mother but loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Every, there is no mother, her noun. Then but, extinction, loves her child. Then another example is everyone loves a patriot. Everyone loves a patriot. Patriot means the person who loves his or her country is a patriot. So every we should use there is no one but loves a patriot. I again saying we should use there is no instead of every. Then noun or the word which is used after every. Then but. Then the other part of the sentence or extension. Every mother loves her child. Here every converted to there is no mother but loves her child. Another example, everyone loves a patriot. Every, there is no, then one but loves a patriot. is the extension of the sentences. Okay, next 3. Now dear students, move to the next rules. Rule 3, must converted to cannot but or cannot help. If we use cannot but, cannot help, then verb plus ing. Must will be converted to cannot but, or you can use cannot help. If you use cannot help, then you should use ing with the verb of the sentences. Example, I must do the work. I must do the work. Here must, who is here cannot but instead of must. So I must do the work. Negative, I cannot but do the work. Understand? Understand. We must obey our parents. We must obey our parents. We can use here, we cannot but obey our parents, or we cannot help obeying our parents. We cannot help obeying our parents, because here we use help, then here obey is the verb, we should use ing obeying. So we cannot help obeying our parents. Understand? Now go to the next rule. Dear students, next rule, rule 4, both dot dot and. We should use both, not only, and converted to but also. So both, not only, and but also. For example, Tamim is both a player and an actor. Here we see both and. So Tamim is not only a player but also an actor. Understand? Here we use both and, not only, and but also. Then next example, he likes meat and fish. Dear students, notice very carefully here. Here we use only and. There is no both. But we should use not only and but also. Although there is no any both in this sentence, in this sentence, but we should use not only and but also. So the negative sentence will be, he likes meat and fish. He likes not only meat. He likes not only meat but also fish. That means he likes meat and fish. Understand? Now dear students, I will give you some homework. Then be ready to take your homework. Only the bread deserve the praise. Negative. Homework number 2. Everyone hates a liar. That means no one loves a liar. Number 3. We must do the sum. Tanya is both player and actor. Okay, my dear students, do this homework at home and keep Stay at home. Don't go anywhere. Thank you so much. We'll be see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.